Look at these seedlings I planted in February. But look what happened. They're all dead from the frost. This is my solution, a simple $10 hoop house. Watch what's growing inside under this plastic. Look at these healthy seedlings. 6 weeks early and protected from frost. Here's everything you need. Conduit pipes, plastic, zip ties, wood strips. Electrical conduit, $3.50 each, much stronger than PVC. Black zip ties. A whole pack costs less than a coffee. Total cost for this build, about $22, but you can do it for under 10. First, measure your bed. Mine is exactly 8 feet long. Mark every 13 inches along both sides. 13-inch spacing is perfect. Closer is stronger, wider saves money. Now drive your stakes. Use 18-inch rebar or metal stakes. Drive them at least 10 inches deep. Shallow stakes will fail. Keep going until only 2 inches show above ground. Test it wiggle hard. If it moves, drive deeper. Time to bend the conduit. Hold both ends firmly. Apply slow, even pressure. Let it bend naturally. See that perfect arch? That's what we want. Bend slowly. If you kink it, the hoop will be weak. Insert one end into the first stake. Push it all the way down until it seats firmly. Now bend the other end and insert into the opposite stake. Both ends seated. Listen for that solid thud. Secure the hoops where they cross at the top. Thread a zip tie around both pipes. Pull it tight. Hear those clicks? That's good tension. Snip off the extra tail. Clean and secure. Test every hoop. Grab the first one. Shake it hard. If it moves, fix it now. Second hoop is solid. Third hoop, also solid. Check every zip tie too. Tighten any loose ones. Now the plastic. I'm using 6mm greenhouse plastic. Start at one end and unroll slowly over the hoops. Smooth it as you go. Remove wrinkles immediately. Pull it tight at the other end. Tension is critical. Secure the edges with wood furring strips. Position the strip over the plastic along the bed edge. Grab a screw. Plain silver screws work fine. Align the screw with your pre-drilled hole. Drive it through the plastic into the wood. The plastic will dimple. At the ends, you'll have extra plastic. Fold it like a gift wrap. Neat pleats. Pull the pleat tight and tuck it under the edge strip. Secure it with screws. Tight folds stop wind flap. Ventilation is critical. Reach for the side edge. Roll the plastic up about 12 inches. Grab a binder clip from the soil. Clip it to hold the roll. Airflow prevents cooking your plants. Check the temperature inside. My thermometer reads 42 degrees. Now check outside. Pull it through the opening. Outside on bare soil. 28 degrees. Frost everywhere. 28 outside, 42 inside. That 14-degree difference saves your plants. Look at this comparison. 2 beds, same day planting. This side has the hoop house, lush and green. This side has no cover. Small, pale, frost damaged. Same seeds, same soil. Only difference is this $10 hoop house. Time to harvest. Look at this lettuce inside. Hand reaching in. Feel how crisp the leaves are. Grip the base firmly. Ready to pull. Pull gently. Look at that. Perfect head 4 weeks early. Now compare harvests. Both beds side by side. From the protected bed, huge, lush, perfect. Now the unprotected bed. See the difference? This is from outside. Small, pale, stunted. Side by side. Protected versus unprotected, 1 month difference. What to plant? These seeds work best. Lettuce, spinach, kale, bok choy. Peas, carrots, radishes, brassicas, brassicas. All these thrive with early protection in zones 6 through 9. 3 mistakes to avoid. First, shallow stakes. See how this one pulls right out? Wind will destroy it. Second, no tape on screws. See this rip? Ruined plastic. Third, no ventilation on warm days. Your plants will cook. Here's the final result. Beautiful, productive, cheap. Standing next to my hoop house. Proud of this build. touching a perfect leaf. This is what we work for. If this helped, hit subscribe. More garden builds coming. Build yours this weekend. Tag me when you do. Happy growing!